Hi everyone, welcome back to Skill World. Today in this tutorial we are going to explore how to speed up your test execution in Behave by running scenarios in parallel. As your test suite grows, executing them one by one can take a lot of time. That's why parallel execution comes in. It allows multiple tests to run. So let's begin. First, understand about the parallel execution. The benefits of using parallel execution, faster execution, instead of waiting for hundreds of scenarios to run one after another, you can split them across multiple threads, process, and finish much quicker. Scalability: as your project grows, you can easily scale your testing without worrying about huge execution times. It improves productivity. Less time waiting for results means tester and developers can focus more on fixing and improving the product. So let's begin. First, install package. Open terminal. You can open terminal by clicking on this one, open terminal. Enter here pip install behave and x. First install this package for parallel execution and then click on enter. Package has been installed successfully. If you want to check this version, so you need to type here behave x dash dash version. This is the command for checking the version behave x 4.6.0. Now, I will show you how you can run multiple scenarios at a time. If you type here behave features slash login, this login dot feature. Now, it will run scenarios one by one, but in parallel execution, we can run both scenarios at a time. First, it will navigate to the URL login and then open Chrome browser and log in with invalid credentials. But it is not much faster. So we can run our test by parallel execution. For running parallel execution, we need to enter here a parallel process command. So this is feature and here scenario successful login with valid credentials. Given I open the source demo login page and here we define in step file. You can view here define context or travel toward maximize window and then navigate to the URL. I enter username and password. After enter username and password, click on the login button. This is wait for the inventory page to load. And this is second scenario, failed login with invalid credentials. In previous tutorial, I have explained in a detail about writing first step and writing this scenario. So you can watch this video. Now we will run our scenarios by parallel execution. For running scenarios in a parallel, enter command here behave x dash dash parallel dash processes and then enter here 2. We have total 2 scenarios, so here enter 2. This is number of workers are processes dash parallel dash processes. Then enter here dash dash parallel split by scenario dash parallel dash scheme scenario. Now click on enter. As you can view here, parallel processes to open Chrome browser and here open test in a parallel. First login, and here you can view both scenarios have been executed successfully. And here one features passed, two scenarios passed, 7 steps passed. Let's again run scenarios parallel scheme scenario, and total parallel processes 2. You can view here login with invalid credentials, and here login successfully. So that's, you know, how to run your behave test in parallel to save time and boost productivity. Parallel execution is a simple but powerful technique, especially when working with large suits. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more BDD and automation tutorials, and drop any questions in the comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.